Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you why your TikTok is not showing your videos to your followers. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So there can be many reasons why TikTok is not showing your video to the followers. So let's go through all these points, which could be the reason why your video is not being shown to your followers. So the very first reason would be that TikTok server is down. So one of the main reasons why TikTok is not showing your videos to your followers is because TikTok server is down and it is recovering from the error. Sometimes not only you, but everyone is facing this issue. However, you can only wait for the server to recover itself, and then once it recovers, you can wait for the video to appear on TikTok. Now, the second reason why your video is not being shown to your followers is because your video is still being reviewed by TikTok. So if your content includes something unappealing to TikTok or that goes against the community guidelines, then TikTok will put it on hold. To resolve that issue, you need to reach out to the TikTok customer care support as soon as possible and query about the video which you've just posted. Now, the third reason why your video is not being shown to your followers is because maybe your account is private. So just in case, maybe your account is private and it's not public, so your TikTok will not show any of your videos to your followers. So if you wish to make your TikTok videos out to everyone, then you must change your TikTok profile from private to public. You can do this by going onto the three lines here, the top right, then settings and privacy, then privacy, and from here make sure private account is deactivated. Now, the fourth reason why your videos are not being shown to your followers is because your account is shadow banned. So when your TikTok content is not well aligned with the TikTok guidelines and it violates the rules and the regulations of TikTok, TikTok imposes a strict action on your videos and imposes a shadow ban. So not to let your followers know about your video. So the major reason for this TikTok shadow ban are violence, inappropriate words, copyright issues, and many other, which you can look up on the community guideline page. Again, if you think your video is being shadow banned, then you need to get in touch with TikTok customer support and query this with them. Now, the fifth reason why your videos are not being shown to your followers is due to the network issue. So if your mobile device is having some network issue due to an unstable internet connection, your video has not been properly uploaded to TikTok. So in order to fix this issue, you need to find a better Wi-Fi connection, or if you're at home, go ahead and restart the router, which usually fixes the issue. Now, the sixth reason why your TikTok videos are not being shown to your followers is due to an outdated TikTok app. So as you know, TikTok releases new versions almost every week, and in that update, they fix bugs and glitches in the app. So to fix this issue, you must head on to your Google Play Store or your App Store and update your TikTok app to the latest version. Once you do this, TikTok will then start showing your videos to your followers. So those were the reasons why TikTok is not showing your video to your followers. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.